Yo, check it out, man. I just got my truck cleaned. I just got it washed. Went with some new people, man. They took over the spot of where I used to go. They did good too, though, man. They did real good. They ain't do bad at all. Let me get a little back. Let's see how they did. Looks real good. Let me show y'all the inside real quick. It did wipe down and stuff. Not bad. Spotless, man. Pretty good. Got it back too. They wiped down and vacuumed. They took care of me, man. They're new people. They're at the same spot. I'm recording all this because I decided to get muffler delete, man. So I'm gonna get a muffler delete. I'm gonna show y'all the truck. I'm gonna show y'all before and after sound as well. Before I get it deleted, and y'all can hear it whenever I cold started with the new muffler. But yeah, man, they did good. It's a decent job. Yes, sir. Alright, man, I just woke up early in the morning. Finna go do that muffler delete. It's early in the morning. It's pretty cold, so I'm finna get y'all a quick cold start. So I can hear it, what it sounds like. Go way over here real quick. Ready? It's a cold start right here. That's that cold start. Sound alright. We're working on this Bronco, man. It's old school Bronco. Trying to get it to run. It's nice. Need some detailing, it'll be good. But alright, let's go, man. Let's go see how it goes. Alright, so I just got to the spot. Gonna go inside and see how much they charge me and stuff. Yeah, I don't look busy, so hopefully I'm in and out of here. I already picked up the truck. This is a place right here, Houston Muffler Shop. Yeah. I just muffler delete. Yo, man, I'm satisfied. They did a good job. The welding on it is good too. It's a really good weld that they did to it. It sounds freaking amazing, man. Everybody likes it. Finna go to the house, show my old man, see what he thinks about it, cause he was thinking it was gonna be like crazy loud, but man, the sound is perfect. The sound is perfect. It's not like crazy loud. I don't know if y'all can hear it right now. From the outside though, it sounds badass. I like it. Yeah, make sure to check them out, man. They're called Houston Mufflers. If y'all look them up on Maps or Google, they're located on Clay and Gessner. As soon as you pass up that light on Gessner, to your left side, you'll see their sign. Let me put the windows down, see if I can hear it a little bit more. Sounds like a truck now, you know what I mean? I like it. It's the windows down. Let's step on it one time. Yeah, sounds badass. Yeah, I'll give my old man's reaction, see what he thinks about it.
¿No te prendió? No.
La engine light tampoco no.
Está alta la güey,
Sí. Y todavía se siente igual, güey, se siente suavecita.
Lo que me gusta es que está bien suavecita, sí.
Ya, todavía se siente suavecita.
Bien con madre.
Escucha con madre, güey. Y nada más cuando le da un pisón se escucha. Písale ahí. Ya ves, escucha con madre, güey.
Yo pensaba que se veía más gacho, pero no.
Ya eso es lo que yo le pregunté al vato, luego se va a escuchar este loud, like, gacho, la cenada, güey, por los resonators. Esas trocas nuevas traen los resonators diferentes. Así ya si quieres louder, ya regresa para atrás y te los cortamos.
No, güey.
La nada, sí está good, bro, sí se escucha con madre.
Yo pensaba que se ve más gacho, pero no, está bien, así está con madre.
Sí. Así es como quería que sonara, güey, no quería que esté un chingo, gacho. ¿Cómo levanta de volada, huh?
Sí.
So we'll now close out the vlog here. Yeah, check them out, man. I'm gonna link it in the description below so y'all can check them out. Alright, man, later.